Welcome to Florida Man Investing. I am Phil. Looking at the markets today, it is Saturday, not Friday. We just got back from our vacation a little bit late, so plan to do it today instead. All right, looking at the markets from Friday, we did have 4,271 advancing stocks. It's just everything's been so sold off lately. This is almost not even noticeable. We do recommend still DCAing into good dividend stocks. That's kind of what we've been doing, using the dividends to reinvest. In 10 years, you'll be so thankful that you did. This is a perfect time to get into the markets. We believe we will get a recovery at some point, and right now enjoy the sales. All right, so let's look at we have Bitcoin coming in right now around $18,000. Um, Sold off. It's like 18,400 at the time of this recording. A lot of people saying we could go all the way down to 13, but again, this be a good time to DCA in. We're buying all our Bitcoin and then moving it over to crypto.com and collecting interest on it. We will, go back to a bull market again, and when we did, this is some awesome buy-in prices. Um, so another thing we wanted to show you here is who would have thought that ADA would be at 45 cents with Bitcoin under 20,000? It's holding up extremely well, so definitely one to keep an eye on. We have Ethereum. It's sold back down under $1,000. Again, this is another one we do feel that this is a good buying time for Ethereum. Uh, we've been again DCAing in on Ethereum. Um, they do have the merge coming up at some point this year, and we do feel that that's going to be a good catalyst for not just Ethereum but the whole markets. All right, so let's switch over here. All right, so we did have the Fed hiked its rates to 0.75%. This is the biggest increase since 1994. So they had the inflation come in at 8.6, which was an increase from last month. We thought last month, was going to be that kind of the plateau, but it went back up. So we don't not quite sure where the top is, and that's kind of given a lot of uncertainty in all the markets, and you'll see a lot more selling off. When we did get a little bit of a rebound on the stock market, but like we said, that it's very little, so still everything's pretty good buy opportunity to collect at this point. We just need a catalyst, to get back in to an upswing of things. Don't be duped by doomsayers. JP Morgan says the S&P will rebound. So this is what we're talking about. What could happen if a war ended? That would be a great catalyst. Think about it. Would you miss the bottom if you're not buying today? War ended tomorrow. You know, they're buying up everything because it's hard to catch a bottom and a top. So it's just best to invest a little at a time, DCA, and this is definitely a time we do believe is um, to get in, and almost all markets. We do believe that, we should own a balanced portfolio of getting dividend stocks because they're paying you right now. And you can use those dividends to reinvest in even crypto if you want. All right, so one thing that people have been afraid of is the housing market. They're talking about a crash. We just bought a house last year, and I can tell you what we were competing with was not people with predatory loans. We were competing with banks with money that are just coming in and sweeping markets. So we don't think we're going to see the same 2008 crash. We do think it will come down with the rates going up. That's going to keep people buying limits down a little bit. So we do think the markets will come down a bit, but it's not going to be a crash like 2008 that, some people are worried about. All right, so, catalysts that could happen. We do have, Grayscale's trying to switch their trust over to an ETF. If something like that happens, that would be good for, the crypto markets. And you also have the ETH merge. They did push it out until September. It might get pushed out a little further. It's kind of a meme at this point of how ETH just keeps pushing, the merge down the road. But we do feel that we're getting closer, and if we do get into that, that's going to be another thing. Rising water raises all ships. ships in the crypto market. This is one we do believe that would do that. All right, so we also have we do have some merch now. Check it out. We do have a shirt, cup, bag. The prices, we can't really do too much with the prices. I brung them down as much. We're only getting about $1 profit off this, so just keep that in mind. Thanks for supporting the channel if you do get this, and we're just kind of using it as advertisement, getting the word out there. We're trying to help people get in the markets while times are hard, and we'll show you all how to do that. Here's a couple tips here. We do have, if you get your groceries from Walmart, you can do the pickup, curbside pickup, and if you have the Visa Walmart credit card and you do an online pickup like this, it's an online purchase, so you're getting 5% cash back. So here, let's show you here what that looks like. All right, so you get $135 groceries, you get 5% cash back on that. So let me show you what that looks like too. All right, here we go. This is what we want to see. All right, so if you're getting $6, it's 675 points for 135, so that's $6.75 back in your pocket. And then as soon as this is money you're going to plan on spending anyway, so as soon as it hits the app, get the app so you can pay it as soon as it hits it, so you're not getting charged any interest. And this is just free money that you can use to invest with or survive with. Times are hard, we understand, but we do recommend using this, transfer it over to a trading app so you can invest with it, because if everything's sold off 30% in the stock market, 85%, 90% in cryptos, you can turn this little bit of savings into a big paycheck in 10 years, and that's kind of our point. um, you have Social Security is not going to be around for us, for everybody. It's kind of coming to an end, a lot of people are saying. So about the only way to retire is going to be from investing, and this is a way for the little guys can get into the market for basically free. Use these apps to help you get some interest, help you get some cash back, so you can DCA in the market with, technically it's not even your money. So um, this is a great technique to use, and we'll show you on another one on SoFi on paying your bills. All right, and now the SoFi app, you can use this for everything else you're spending, as long as you're not trying to pay a loan based. You can't pay a loan with a credit card, but you can pay stuff like your internet, which we got $1 back. Like I said, it's not much, but if you're taking it, like the SoFi app does have an investment feature on it, so you can just transfer it right over. So you can get um, our electric bill. We got $600 back, 600 points back, so it's equivalent to $6 back. And as you see at the bottom here, we did redeem in for crypto $9 worth here and $300, $9 here and $3 here. Yeah, sorry. That's how many total points were spent, but it's the equivalent of $3 and $9. And we did redeem both for crypto. All right. Last but not least, we do have Unbounded Earth, NFT project. It's a metaverse project on the Cardano network. It's still pretty cheap to get in right now. We do believe the metaverse has, a way potential to go way up, and they are releasing a alpha card. This is going to be for, I believe I've seen it was going to be for 150 ADA, and you can use this to get into the metaverse as they're releasing it. Be some of the first people to get to test it out. So that's pretty cool if you want to, get in before everyone else. We definitely would love to get in for our channel to check it out and do some reviews on it. But this is something that we're pretty psyched about. And they are definitely active, and they are definitely been building in this bear market. So this is definitely one we do think has big potential for the metaverse, and especially kind of low entry at this point. Um, so definitely one to check out. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. We're going to keep bringing it to you, and we'll catch you next time.